So look, if you're at the point where the officer has you out of the car, they're investigating you for DWI, they're asking to do the field sobriety tests. You're probably at the point where they are very strongly considering arresting you for DWI. Bear in mind, they're also going to force you to do a breathalyzer or a blood test. So that decision as to whether or not you do the field sobriety test, it's not necessarily going to decide whether or not you get arrested or not. If you pass it, there's still a pretty good chance at that point you're getting arrested. So minors in Texas have to be really careful with alcohol and driving. They're actually subject to two laws in Texas. Minors can get DWIs, right? So if somebody under the age of 21 has alcohol in their system above the legal limit, they can actually get a DWI. But minors also can get DUIs. Because somebody under the age of 21 isn't supposed to be drinking alcohol at all, if a minor gets pulled over and they have even a sip of alcohol, even any detectable amount, they are subject to being arrested for DUI, driving under the influence, as opposed to DWI, driving while intoxicated. After a DWI, you're going to want to hire a DWI attorney. DWIs are actually like kind of a specialized area of criminal defense. Look for attorneys that have handled lots of DWIs, ones that have had DWI trials, ones that have been DWI prosecutors. At our law firm, we have a few attorneys that actually have been former DWI prosecutors. They've worked with the police, they've worked with highway enforcement, and they know what to look for in these cases. They're the ones that are going to be able to spot the mistakes the officers made during their DWI investigation, whether it's questions that were asked incorrectly, whether it's the field sobriety tests that were done incorrectly, whether it's the breathalyzer that was handled the wrong way. Experienced DWI attorneys are going to spot those things, and that's how you're going to get your cases dismissed.